we have a few little bugs to fix, I think, with the signals. Mainly accidental double triggering, which is caused by, I think, maybe the magnet being too low, but on some vehicles, some rolling stock, some locomotives, we haven't got a choice where it goes. So I think the easiest and safest option would be to add a delay into the circuitry so that we can stop that. So that's something I will look into and update the software. As you can see, we've made a start on the first bit of retaining wall, and this will be slowly going into place. Down here it should stop where that last piece is. Let's push it back in. Some minor adjustments to do. I'm going to move the tunnel entrance down a little further, just so I've got enough room for a locomotive leaving the station. And then having a break from the electronics for a bit, trying to get a bit of scenery in so I can get some nice running shots. Obviously now I've got one of the tracks through the station ballasted where all the power's in, so yeah, starting to come along. Just make out the isolating fish plate there, which makes this braking section up to the lights. So yep, all coming along nicely. Okay, so while we let the glue dry on the platform for the top, I'm going to move back on to the retaining wall that I'm working on. I've now put buttresses in, and I'm now starting on the plinths at the bottom. First one's been cut in. See, this piece is on a slight angle to go around. So now we're going to make up the rest of the plinths. Okay, so here we have a plinth which I have cut out, 1mm card, on this sheet of sticky paper, label paper, A4, are the plinth layers. So I've cut one out, which is this one here, and I've wrapped it around the base layer. Now we're going to test fit it and cut it to length and install it into here. Okay, so you join me as I'm working on the next part of the retaining wall. I'm adding the plinths at the bottom of the wall. A couple more to do. Then I'm going to move on to the parapet. And yep, slowly and surely getting there. Well, I've had a bit of a rethink, and this is good, but this is a little better. So I made the decision to move the workbench in front of the water tank, giving me 3 times as much space as I had before, and it allows me to work on the models a lot easier. Took a bit of work, but I've managed to fit it in, and I'm happy with the results. I've been slowly working on this retaining wall, which is coming along. I'm putting the capping on the main wall at the moment, and then I've got the plinth to put above, and then the last piece of capping on top. And I think once I've got that done, I'll be able to get some nice running shots of trains coming up and down the incline. So looking forward to that. This is just a short video to show what I've been doing. So we'll get some running shots in, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.